We are a youth advisory panel for ABMU Health Board. So we're here to give a voice to young people in healthcare.
We know that all children have their rights all the time, and they always apply no matter where you are, but we think that when you're in hospital sometimes there are more that might be more important to you. So for example, the right to have the best possible health and healthcare, the right to information, and the right to give your opinion. So even if you don't agree with what maybe your parents think or the doctors or the nurses think, it's important that you know your rights so you can be independent and have your say.
We've done things such as patient stories, which allows people to have a voice on their experience in hospital or even outpatient care.
Our big piece of work this year is going to be around mental health, because whenever we talk to patients or adults or people in schools, mental health is something that always comes up. So we're going to do a survey to see what children need, where they need to learn about their rights, about their mental health, and then use that to kind of guide our work in 2018.